What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional resume in Canva even if you have a little or no design experience. To get started, open Canva and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the Templates section, click the search bar, and type Resume. You'll see a variety of resume templates designed for different industries and style, including professional, modern, creative, and simple layouts. Take a few moments to browse the available templates and choose one that best matches the type of job you're applying for. A clean and professional design is usually the best choice for most applications. After selecting a template, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now, you can begin personalizing your resume. Replace the sample text with your own information, including your name, contact details, work experience, education, and skills. Be sure to review everything carefully to make sure your information is accurate and up to date. You can also customize the design by changing the colors, fonts, icons, or spacing to better match your personal style while keeping the layout clean and easy to read. Avoid adding too many colors or design elements, as a simple and organized resume often leaves a stronger impression. Once you're satisfied with the resume, click Share if you'd like to collaborate with someone, or click Download to save it as a PDF file, which is the recommended format for most job applications. And that's it. That's how to create a professional resume in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!